Writing a GED essay involves responding to a given prompt by crafting a well-organized, coherent, and persuasive essay based on information provided in an accompanying article. Here are some best practices for writing the GED essay. 1. Understand the prompt. Read carefully. Begin by reading the prompt thoroughly to understand what is being asked. Identify the main question or task. Clarify requirements. Determine if the prompt asks for an analysis, comparison, personal opinion, or specific examples from the article. 2. Read the article. Annotate. As you read the article, highlight key points, evidence, and arguments that relate to the prompt. Note any particularly strong or relevant quotes. Summarize. Briefly summarize the main ideas of the article to ensure you understand the content and context. 3. Plan your essay. Outline. Create a rough outline to organize your thoughts. Decide on the structure of your essay: introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. Thesis statement. Develop a clear thesis statement that directly answers the prompt and states your main argument or perspective. 4. Write the introduction. Hook. Start with an engaging sentence to grab the reader's attention. Context. Provide a brief overview of the article and the issue being discussed. Thesis. Present your thesis statement clearly and concisely. 5. Develop body paragraphs. Topic sentences. Each paragraph should begin with a topic sentence that introduces the main idea of the paragraph. Use evidence. Incorporate evidence from the article to support your points. Paraphrase or quote directly, but make sure to explain how the evidence supports your thesis. Analysis. Don't just present evidence, analyze it. Explain the significance of the evidence and how it contributes to your argument. 6. Write the conclusion. Restate thesis. Summarize your main points and restate your thesis in a new way. Synthesize. Show how the points you made in the body paragraphs collectively support your thesis. Final thought. End with a concluding thought or call to action that leaves a lasting impression on the reader. 7. Review and edit. Proofread. Check for grammatical errors, typos, and spelling mistakes. Coherence. Ensure that your essay flows logically from one point to the next. Clarity. Make sure your ideas are clearly expressed and that your argument is easy to follow. Sample GED essay based on a given article and prompt. Prompt. In recent years, there has been a significant increase in the use of technology in education. Some people believe that technology enhances learning experiences and provides more opportunities for students. Others argue that it can be a distraction and may lead to a decrease in critical thinking skills. In your essay, analyze both perspectives and explain which side you find more compelling. Use evidence from your own experiences or observations to support your argument. Article summary. The article discusses the pros and cons of technology in education. Proponents argue that technology provides access to diverse resources, supports personalized learning, and enhances engagement. Critics, however, contend that it can be distracting and detrimental to critical thinking skills. Sample essay. The integration of technology into education has sparked a heated debate on its benefits and drawbacks. On one hand, proponents argue that technology enhances learning experiences and opens up a world of opportunities for students. On the other hand, critics claim that it can be a major distraction and may negatively impact critical thinking skills. After considering both perspectives, I find the argument that technology enhances learning experiences more compelling. Advocates for technology in education emphasize its ability to provide access to a vast array of resources and information that were previously unavailable. For instance, students can now access online libraries, educational videos, and interactive simulations that cater to different learning styles. This not only broadens their knowledge but also makes learning more engaging. From my own experience, using educational apps and websites has significantly improved my understanding of complex subjects like math and science. Interactive simulations, for example, allowed me to visualize chemical reactions, making abstract concepts more concrete and understandable. Furthermore, technology facilitates personalized learning, enabling students to learn at their own pace. Adaptive learning software can identify a student's strengths and weaknesses, providing tailored exercises to address specific needs. This individualized approach ensures that no student is left behind, fostering a more inclusive learning environment. In my high school, the introduction of personalized learning platforms helped many of my peers who struggled with traditional teaching methods to catch up and even excel in their studies. On the flip side, critics argue that technology can be a significant distraction. With the constant presence of social media, games, and other online distractions, students might find it challenging to focus on their studies. Additionally, there is a concern that over-reliance on technology could impair critical thinking skills. When answers are just a click away, students might not develop the ability to think deeply and solve problems independently. While these concerns are valid, they can be mitigated through proper guidance and the establishment of clear boundaries. Educators can teach students how to use technology responsibly and emphasize the importance of critical thinking. Moreover, integrating technology into education does not mean abandoning traditional teaching methods but rather complementing them. For instance, in my school, teachers combine lectures with interactive digital tools, striking a balance that maximizes learning without letting technology take over entirely. In conclusion, while technology in education does present some challenges, its benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. It enhances learning experiences by providing access to diverse resources, supports personalized learning, and engages students in ways traditional methods may not. With appropriate guidance and a balanced approach, technology can significantly improve educational outcomes, making it an invaluable tool in the modern classroom. If you liked this video, click the thumbs up icon. If you want to be notified of new videos, click the bell icon. If you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button. This has been a production of D&J Designs and Mathman 1962.